We have so many fun surprises to find today.
Be ready!
Surprise! It's Romi and Lulu!
Welcome to our house. We hid some surprises for you inside.
Wow, it's like magic! Let's count how many windows there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 windows and 1 door.
There's something behind window number 1.
Cool! It's a green Play-Doh cube. It's full of surprises. There's a yellow circle and a pink circle. Let's put the pieces together to see what they make. A strawberry donut! Yummy!
It looks like there's another surprise.
Look, it's a yellow Play-Doh cube. Let's see if this one is full of surprises too. A white circle, a small green piece, and a pink piece. Let's see what it makes when we put these together. Oh, yum! It's a vanilla milkshake.
There's something behind window number 3.
Let's see what it is. Awesome! Another surprise Play-Doh cube. It's turquoise this time.
Let's see what surprises we can find.
2 round orange pieces. Let's see what else there is. This piece looks like a piece of lettuce. Let's see if there's anything else. And we found a round piece that's brown. Let's put them all together to see what they make. Oh, it's a hamburger! Yummy, yummy!
Window number 4 is shaking.
Let's see if that means there's a surprise. Whoa, it is another surprise. It's a Play-Doh cube. This one is pink this time. There's this purple piece inside. And I found this green piece. Let's put them together to see what they make. Oh wow, it's an eggplant. These colors are so pretty.
Looks like there's another surprise in window number 5.
I can't wait to see what it is. Another surprise Play-Doh cube. This time it's blue. Let's see what surprises are hidden in this one. A yellow triangle piece and a white triangle piece. Is there anything else? A small red piece. I wonder what we can create with these 3 pieces. Oh, delicious! It's a piece of vanilla cheesecake with strawberries on top.
Window number 6 has a surprise.
Let's see what it is. A lavender surprise cube. Let's see what surprises are hidden inside. Ooh, a waffle cone. And it looks like soft ice cream. This red piece is the final piece. I think I can guess what this will make. I knew it! It's an ice cream cone with a strawberry on top.
Look, that big window is moving.
That means there's a surprise inside. Woohoo! It's a giant orange surprise cube. A little green ball and another green ball. Oh, I found this big green piece. And one more green ball. Let's see what this makes. It's 3 peas in their pod. Yummy, yummy peas.
It looks like the last window has a surprise inside.
Let's open it to see what it is. Look at this surprise Play-Doh cube. It's purple. I found a red piece inside. And look at this green piece. Let's put them together to see what they make. It's a strawberry. Delicious.
Wow, I see the door is moving now.
I wonder what's behind the door. I'll just turn the knob to open it. It's another giant surprise cube. Let's see what surprises we can find inside. This red piece looks like a tiny strawberry. Another piece. Look at this pink piece. And another strawberry. Wow, this small green piece. And this orange rectangle. Let's put all these surprise pieces together to see what they make. Oh, yum! It's a strawberry tiramisu. It looks like we found all the surprises.
Yay!
We found all this food in the surprise house. A strawberry donut, a vanilla milkshake, a hamburger, an eggplant, yum, a strawberry, peas, an ice cream cone, and a piece of strawberry tiramisu. Yummy!
Can I try some, please?
Sure, a piece of strawberry tiramisu for Lulu.
My turn.
Okay, a piece of cheesecake for Romi. Here's a strawberry for Lulu.
Yum, yum. Me next, please.
Here you go, Romi.
My turn.
Okay, here's some green peas in their pod.
Yummy.
Romi's turn. He gets this vanilla milkshake.
More, please.
Wow, you guys are hungry. Try this eggplant, Lulu.
Me.
Here's a strawberry donut.
Delicious.
Last one for Lulu. It's a hamburger.
Yummy. Thank you for sharing your surprise toys. Goodbye.
Watch this video next. Click on the chubby radish to subscribe.